Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts, and I'm here with Greg today, and we have a tech tip for you on the proper use of a Ballend hook tool. We highly recommend this tool for when you're setting glass in the gaskets. Greg, how do we use this?
Anytime using this tool, you have to keep in mind the angle of the tip. We will be using it to pull the lip of the gasket out from behind the gasket. So we'll be using it at about this angle, pulling out and away. When I talk about the angle of the tool, I'm speaking of this portion of the tool here. And keeping it with level at the edge of the glass, and then just pulling up towards the top of the cab. That does, it pulls that lip out from under the glass, and it keeps the gasket from bunching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips.